Pig no make video. Pig lazy, but pig smart. Pig use YouTube automation. What'd that mean? Pig do nothing, still get coin? Pig no camera, no snout on screen. Pig no talk. Pig use 11 labs for voice. AI talk like pig professor. Pig say make video about shiny rock that make coin. Pig open ChatGPT type idea. ChatGPT write script. Fast, smart. No oink wasted. Then Pig give script to Pictory or runway.ai, make video. Add clip, add music. Boom. Video done. Pig make. Thumbnail with Canva or thumbnail.ai. Clickbait so strong, monkey can't resist. Upload, Pig use TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These tools whisper secrets. Best title. More views. Pig sit back, roll in mud, watch coins fall from sky. One channel? No. Pig make 5. Money channel, space channel. Monkey drama channel. All run by AI tools work 24/7. Pig just dream of truffles. Want to be like Smart Pig? Use ChatGPT. Use Pictory. Use Canva. Pig not creator. Pig is overlord. Oink, oink. Subscribe before Pig automates your channel too.